Hello, this is Justin Bush with Fit for Life on our Moving Fit for Feminine Fat Loss series. We're going to start from the beginning. We're going to start from the basics. I want to set a nice foundation and then we can get deeper and deeper into it. So, without further ado, let's talk about energy. We have three types that we have available to us. We have protein, which is essentially our muscle. So, it's good to know that we can very much burn our own muscle, break down our own muscle, and this is where you start talking about going catabolic in terms of burning your own muscle in order to feed your own muscle. And no worries, we'll talk about that. Fat, obviously our adipose tissues where we store fat, and then we're constantly burning fat, primarily using fat in the presence of oxygen. So anytime you're breathing, that's primarily fat that you're burning, okay? And then we have sugar. Sugar, also known as carbohydrates, and carbohydrates can also be referred to as glucose, as that's the broken down version of sugar. The last thing I'll say on sugar is the stored version of sugar is glycogen. So we will talk about that. So we have glucose. Glucose is what's readily available to be burned. For example, in a high intensity exercise. Glycogen is our stored version of glucose, and we store the majority of our glucose in our liver. We do store some sugar in our muscle, so that is one thing to know, but the majority of our sugar is stored in the liver. So stay tuned. We now know our three types of energy. We're going to get more into the details of each one in our next video. Take care.